Hello, how you doing? I'm going to make this today. This is a beef liver. You can use mutton liver if you want. Fry. So lovely, lovely Indian spices. It takes absolutely no time at all. It's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so there I've got beef liver. That's what we're using today. You can use a different liver if you want, lamb's liver or mutton liver. There's 650 grams there, or roughly, as you can see, about 3 cups. Now what I've done is I've cut that into nice small cubes. Some people would soak that in milk, some people would soak it in vinegar. I see no need for that at all, but that's up to you. So along with the liver, we're going to add 1 cup of onion, which I've cut really, really small, 1 cup of tomato, fresh chili to taste, but I like quite a lot in this one. I think the chili's in it good, so I've got there's a tablespoon maybe just over there. A tablespoon here of ginger garlic paste, and then a teaspoon each. Here we go. Salt, pepper, cumin, turmeric, chili, coriander, and garam masala powder. What we're going to be doing is putting that in a mixing bowl. We're going to mix it all together with a little bit of oil. So here we go. Bit of oil, that's just going to sort of bring it together. I'm using a corn oil, fresh chili, ginger garlic paste, tomato, the onion I've cut really, really small. I actually put that into my food processor. And then 1 teaspoon each of garam masala powder there, coriander, salt, pepper, turmeric, cumin, and chili powder. We're going to give that a nice little mix. Now, if you can get this in your refrigerator overnight, it will be wonderful, but you do want to do it for at least an hour. But overnight, cover it up, with some shrink wrap, plastic wrap, or cling film, whatever you call that. Okay, so you're going to need a skillet, pan, or something like that. In there, I've got some more oil, maybe 2 tablespoons. You can use any oil you like. Coconut oil might be nice. What we're going to do is drop in a teaspoon of cumin seeds. We're on an above medium heat. I've got some fresh curry leaves. If you can get them, they're really fabulous. If not, try and get dried. Just a few seconds. And then simply we're going to drop in the mixture that we made, and we're going to fry it for around 6 or so minutes. So in it goes. Completely seasoned, salt, pepper, everything's in. All we've got to do is stir fry this around, and it's done. Really delicious stuff. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Okay, off goes the heat. That's 6 minutes. You can see that the tomatoes have broken down. We've got ourselves a really beautiful dish right there. If you wanted some cilantro in there, mix it in. I'm not doing that today. See you at the table. Steaming hot, spicy, delicious. That is really, really good. Now I eat that with bread sometimes, up with some roti or chapati or something like that. You can have it with rice, up to you. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.